Hey guys, I just wanted to make this quick video for you about the Samsung Jet 95 Pro. What are the cons that you need to know? So, can mop and vacuum simultaneously. The vacuuming function turns off when the mopping attachment is recognized. Also requires separate vacuuming before mopping, not ideal for a situation where both vacuuming and also the mopping are needed simultaneously. You don't have the automatic mode, so it lacks the automatic mode to adjust power based on detected dirt levels. Then also massive bin emptying process. Dustbin design may lead to dust spillage when emptying, and also short battery life on a high power. Lasts only like 8 minutes on the highest jet settings. So these are like the cons that I just like summarized for you, like what you need to know. Now it's really powerful. I mean, like, you get lots of accessories, can mop hard floors, excellent cleaning performance, lightweight and easy to handle, and even looks powerful when you're gonna look at it. So from the intuitive standpoint, if you're thinking about getting it, I'm a huge fan of Samsung, I'm not gonna lie. It just looks powerful, and it, like, goddamn. And like, I'm in a state that just based on like the review of the cons, it just is powerful thing. So I hope this video gave you at least a little bit of value, but these are the cons that you need to know. So have a great day and goodbye.